Hello and welcome to the ServiceTracker support user video series. This video covers creating a job. The contract sits within the client section. Before any work can be undertaken, a contract must be set up. All schedules and visits will be against the contract, which is also how billing is made up. There are two types of contracts within the system. A service contract, which is for standard and routine works, and a job, which is aimed at one-off projects or installation works. Each contract will give you the ability to create ad hoc calls and multiple schedules. For this video, we will be covering creating a job contract. So to access the screen to create the job contract, we first need to identify the client that we're going to be creating this for. So the client I'm going to be using is Outdoor Adventure. So again, you can find Outdoor Adventure by clicking on the client, by putting it in the search area, or as you can see in my items, it was one I was working on recently, so I'm just going to click on Outdoor Adventure. So we can then either scroll down to the contract section, or we can hover along the top here and you'll see we've got contract jobs. So we're going to click on new contract job. So the first screen we come to, we need to decide if we're creating the service contract or the job, and it defaults to service contract here. So we need to select on the drop down box, select job, and then continue. So we're now in the next screen, and as you can see, the billing account's already been populated because we know it's for Outdoor Adventure. We know the job type is for a job. So the next thing we need to look at filling out is the reference. So this reference can be something that the customer has given us. It could even be a purchase order number that we want to put in there. It's a free text field, so at the moment we're just going to put in a reference. The start date will be the start date of the job, and then moving down we've got the status. So the status at the moment would be active. When it be complete and done, we go in and change the status so it's complete. Special instructions. So the special instructions are for admin use only, so they don't go to the PDA, so it's only information around the job on an admin level. You could also use this field to put your billing instructions, which could also then be linked into a finance system if you want to go down that route. Once we're all done, we press save. So the job contract's now been created and we've got the basic information here. You can go and create the schedules, you can go and put some quotes and invoices against it, you can add notes and attachments, you can go and create alerts for it, you can see the history and what's gone on around this specific job, and you can get a little summary as to the visits and information around there. So that's the contract. There will be another video that you can watch for creating the schedules for it, but if we now click back on Outdoor Adventure, and you'll see that we've now got the new job down here. So there it is, sat under the contract job, and it's a job. Thank you for watching, and the next video we'd recommend you watch is creating a schedule for the job.